Do you ever wonder, how can I save time on entering in my transactions? Can QuickBooks re-enter in some of the data that I entered last time I had this same vendor, expense, customer, those types of things? Well, you're in the right place if we've never met before. Hi, I'm Candace Camphor, and I love to help business owners and bookkeepers simplify QuickBooks and create confidence. So in today's tip, we're going to talk all about how to change your settings so that you can automate your transactions. If you're looking for the desktop version of this tip, go up above and we will link it there. If you're looking for the online version, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. I'm going to share my screen with you. So when we're thinking about this setting, this comes down to, let's say that we're clicking over here and we want to hit a new transaction and you go in. Now, this isn't about bank feeds because that's a whole nother thing that you can automate with your rules. But this is if you're going to go in and you're going to be manually entering in your transactions. You're going to be creating invoices for your customers. How do you go in and do that? This is my sample file. So let's say you went in here and you want that to happen, where the last time you went to Best Buy, it tells you what a category you're looking for and how much it was. How do we automate that? How do we have that happen automatically in QuickBooks? So you're going to go over to the wheel under Settings, Accounts and Settings here. Then you're going to go down to Advanced. You're going to scroll down and you're going to look under Automation, Pre-fill, and you're going to click this little pencil to the right. That's going to allow you to change your settings. So you want to make sure that you can go here actually and always click on the little question mark if you're wondering, what does it mean? For example, this one is when you automatically fills other fields of the form based on the last saved transaction of your customer, your vendor, or your employee. So if that's something you're looking for, make sure that's on. Automatically apply your credits. Now, people ask me this all the time, why is QuickBooks automatically applying my credits? Or how do I get rid of them? This is a whole nother tip. You can choose to turn that on or off. Automatically invoice. So those are all going to be automatically payments. Those are other ones. But if you want the form to automatically fill, you're going to choose this one and make sure that if it's off, you turn it on. If you are excited to try out this tip, let me know below. If you're new here, let me know that. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to make sure you don't miss future tips and tricks. Also, if you'd like to get them in your inbox, you can also do that. We email them out. And if you're looking for more support on how to customize QuickBooks to your specific business, learn these kinds of things and more, including maybe how to automate your rules for your bank feeds, don't forget to check out our Customizing QuickBooks workshop. I look forward to seeing you inside our next tip and trick. Have an amazing day. Bye.